The only thing that might take my chill to another level is sitting under a big Texas oak at sunset, cold beverage in my hand. And luckily, I know just the spot. This is the Hays City Store, and as the name suggests, it used to be just a small convenience store on the outskirts of town. You know, a place to buy a gallon of milk and some fishing worms. But as you can see, things have changed quite a bit. These are its owners, Tamara and Travis Tyndall.
Okay, what is going on with those onion rings? Do we even grow onions that big in Texas? That's huge.
It is. It's a house favorite.
Oh my gosh. I thought we would come on maybe a more chill night, but I get the idea. There's not that many chill nights.
Fortunately not.
Here in Hays City,
Yeah.
With live music 6 nights a week and scratch-made food, well, it's hard to not love this spot. The Tyndalls bought this old store in 2015 and had a vision as big as Texas.
It was a convenience store by the same name since 1986.
I mean, back in those days, this would have been out in the boonies.
Oh,
right?
We tried to talk to banks and they're like, where? They're like,
People thought we were crazy when we had the idea to do this. I knew that it was something great, and I knew that if it didn't work out, we'd do something else.
You could always run a convenience store.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
like a couple candy bars and
well,
some-
that's actually what we did at the very beginning. We had one row of convenience store items.
But very quickly, the menu progressed way past candy bars and beef jerky.
How'd you decide on what went on the menu?
It just kind of evolved. We wanted a good burger, chicken fried steak, but we also wanted some healthier options, so salmon, fish tacos.
Soon they had a full comfort kitchen, but with some upscale flair. So popular, they had to build a separate kitchen just for the pizza.
It doesn't feel like a restaurant. It feels like an experience.
Family reunion or a backyard picnic with some of your best friends and some of your new friends. You know,
It seems like that kind of place. But cheers, guys, just on the success, and just y'all have created a really special place out here.
Thank you.
Thank y'all. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, I'm not one to pass up a delicious chicken fried steak, and so that's what I got. Jalapeno cream gravy, jalapeno corn, mashed potatoes, but also here in the pie capital of Texas, I would be remiss if I didn't also get pie for dinner, the house Frito pie. And I thought I was ordering sort of a side portion of it, but evidently there is no side portion. It comes in one size, Texas sized. So good. Another great thing about Frito pie, no one is counting or judging you on how many Fritos you actually eat, because I'm pretty sure there's an entire bag of them here. And if I just was sitting here with a bag of Fritos and I ate the whole thing, everyone would be judging me. But if it's underneath chili, no problem. Time for the main course. The crisp on this batter is just spot on. Oh man, that's good. That's without a doubt one of the best chicken fried steaks I've had, ever. And I've eaten a lot of chicken fried steaks. Scratch-made cooking just hits different, y'all. Oh, and this hits. Oh, that's good.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.